guys, fix it down again. Got myself another project I want to show you. Still got the other bay liner, but it's winter at the moment, can't use it. And yeah, I'll swing this around, give this a look. So yeah, I wanted a little cabin boat. Bay liner's only a bow rider, so I wanted something I can go away for a few nights on the lakes, do some fishing. It's got a little cabin with a bed, double bed up there, and a little bit of room for whatever. It's got a 2.2 litre, it's actually a Mazda Bravo, I think it's a mid-90s diesel in it. It's been all marinized properly. It's got the coolant running through an heat exchange, so it's not running salt water through the motor, which is good. But yeah, I'll climb up and show you what I'm doing. Right. So yeah, this was soft mainly through here. So I found where the next what are they, cross member thing, and I've cut through the center pretty much. You can see this is cross member, so I've cut it through there so I can join on a cross member. So there's not a floating join. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. I've got one of those little vibrating saw things, which is really good, so I could get that right back to the edge. I've got to get all that out. I'm just cutting. You can see my cut along there, and yeah, I've got to continue along there. So, but yeah, I cut this cross member just out of the way. It was rotten from there back. It's rotten into this side stringer thing. So that's the worst. This one's good. That's solid wood there. But yeah, that's going to be a drama. So I won't know till I start. I'll have to cut it back a bit further and have a look. But I reckon I'll probably have to replace it right back to that corner. Replace this whole board right through there to there, I reckon. But anyway, I'll wait till I dig that right out. So yeah, I'm just going to continue cutting right along there. Cut that little piece off there, all the way up to there. I've already got that bit off. But yeah, real solid hull. Even the transom is just solid glass. See these? See a little post, other post there. It did have a hard top. There's a windscreen for it. I don't think it's even the right one. I don't know, the guy cut it all off and he's going to put a normal windscreen on it. So I've got a windscreen there for it. But yeah, I'd be tempted to put that back, something lightweight, maybe aluminium later on. Anyway, just going to get all this structural stuff done first. So yeah, if you want to watch the journey, I'll get this done, subscribe and like, you know the drill. And yeah, I'll get this built and we'll see how it comes up.